I'm not sure if you know, but cute animal videos can draw thousands, even millions of views, earning creators substantial money. This YouTube channel is a great example. It posts only cute animal short videos. The channel only started posting 7 months ago, and according to Social Blade, earns around $2,000 monthly from ads. Let me show you another example. Again, with only cute animal videos, this channel gets 30 million views each month, and they've gained over 80,000 subscribers in just the last 30 days. Animals content, especially catchy cute videos, thrives on repeat plays and shareability, which means big earning potential. In this video, I'll guide you through creating high-quality, adorable animal videos with ease. With AI, you don't need advanced video editing skills. You can get started right now. If you're finding this information helpful, please like the video and share it with anyone who could benefit too. Let's get started. First, we'll create the ideas for the images that will make up these cute, short videos, as well as the prompts for those images. For this, we'll use our friend ChatGPT. As you can see, I'm using a prompt like this. You can use this prompt too. You can change the number, swap out the animal, whatever you like. Here's a note I want to add. I asked it to show different animals in different settings and to include a cute element in the background, something to keep the audience engaged longer. I'm asking it to generate 20 ideas this way. Let's see what kind of ideas we get. Yes, I'm seeing some really cute and fun ideas. I think we're good to go with this first version. Of course, if you want, you can tweak it further, try different animals or ideas here. But I think it's pretty solid as is, and we can move on to the next step. Now, let's use these prompts to create our images. As an example, I'll generate the first two, and you'll already get the hang of it. For this, I'll use the Leonardo AI app. I'll leave the link below. After entering the image generation section, you'll see a few settings on the left. Let me quickly go over them. First, you choose which Leonardo model to use. I usually go with Phoenix. It's their original engine. Of course, you can try the other engines too. Info about what kind they are is written inside. Beyond that, you decide the quality you want the images produced in. I'm going with quality. You also set the image size. Since we're making shorts, I'll select mobile, like this. Lastly, you specify how many images you want it to generate. Leonardo defaults to 4 at the bottom, but to save tokens, I'll pick 2. It's usually plenty, I'd say. Now let's take our prompt. For example, the first one is tiny finger lion and Christmas light. I'll tweak it a bit. If we just say little lion, it might make a small lion, but we want an unrealistically tiny one. So I'm saying tiny finger lion. That'll work better. Also, from the examples I've seen, realistic poses seem to grab more attention, so I'll add realistic at the end and start the generation like this. It looks super cute. Pretty spot on, I think. If you don't like it, you can generate another one. Let me show you an example. I like it, but for demonstration, I'll try one more. Yes, very cute. I want to test one more thing, using tiny instead of little. Let's see how that goes. Yep, this is actually closer to what I wanted. It's more unrealistically tiny. I'll use tiny and finger in the other prompts too. This one's great. I'm downloading it to my computer. For example, this buddy. Let's generate the second one. Here we go. Let's take this prompt. Tweak the first part to tiny finger tiger and generate it. So cute. Yep, a tiny tiger roaring, looking like it hasn't woken up next to a coffee. Adorable. I really like this one too. We could produce the other shorts this way too, but I just showed 2 as examples. As I said, now let's add some motion to these and turn them into short video format. Yes, now it's time to add motion to the images we've created. For this, we'll use another app called Hailuo. This app is one of the best I've used for animating static images. I'm using the free version, which gives you a certain number of credits per day, but with the paid version, you can produce much faster. Here, we go to the Create Video section, and I'll show you an example. Let's upload the image we saved to our computer from the previous step. In this section, you can enter your own motion-related prompt, but there are also preset camera movements available. You can see them labeled as cinematic shots, like cinematic shot, and when you hover over them, you can preview what they'll look like. On top of that, you can make your own adjustments. For example, you can choose to have the camera move backward or come forward instead. I'll use the cinematic shots here. Let's try one called Right Surge as an example and see how it looks. Yes, as you can see, it animated it beautifully without losing any details. I'm really happy with it. I think it's ready to publish as is. I'll download this to my computer and upload the other image too, then show you that one as well. Yes, it added a bit of facial movement to the lion, but I really love how the steam from the coffee is animated. Maybe it could have added a bit more motion to the lion, but even like this, I think it's pretty great. I'm downloading this one to my computer too. Finally, we'll create the descriptions for uploading these videos we've produced. For example, we'll go to ChatGPT and ask it like this. As you can see, I requested it to write a short description for each idea because from the examples I've seen, there's no need for long descriptions. They don't need to distract the viewer. And of course, I asked it to add hashtags. Here you can optionally specify a platform, but I'll just show you a general example. As you can see, it prepared some really cute and enjoyable descriptions. For instance, you can take the first one separately and post it directly with the first video, then proceed like that. And that's it. As you can see, in a very short time, we prepared 2 of our shorts and got them ready for publishing. Almost uploaded them even. You could easily publish 10 or 20 shorts a day like this. I hope you liked the video. If you did, don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. Your comments really motivate me and encourage me to create more content. You can watch my next video where I explore niches and review satisfying projects.